Okay, so we're going to learn how to put together the camera. First thing that we need is our camera body, then we need the battery and the lens. We're going to start with the battery. The battery compartment is on the bottom right here. This is also where the card is. Press on the card, and the card should actually match what it says. So camp 3, that's a match. If it's not, let me know. Card goes into the camera and will spring load in. That's also where the battery goes. There's only one way for the battery to go. Just look at it, make sure that it goes in. Once it's in, we can actually take the body cap and the back lens cap, twist them off. We're gonna do this very fast, and we're gonna also do it in a sanitary environment, because anything that gets in here is gonna show up on the sensor. Anything in here is also gonna show up on the sensor. We take these, put them together, twist them like an Oreo, then put them into the actual bag. If you put them just as themselves, that's how dust can get inside of them, and then we put the caps on, and it kind of defeats the purpose. You're gonna see this red circle to red circle right here. You're gonna match those up, and then twist to the right, you're gonna hear a click. That click right there is the locking mechanism. If you don't hear that, it's not on. People pick this up, it all of a sudden drops off. Take your front lens cap, put it into the bag as well. Now we have it. We shoot on video mode. That's going to be, it goes off, on, that's photography, video mode. We also shoot in manual mode dial. If you ever get lost, you can throw it into auto, but you should know the manual settings that we use in class. Once it's in manual, you can flip open the screen, turn the screen, and now we can actually see what's going on right here. A couple of things that people get stuck on are SL3's autofocus. Make sure autofocus is on for the actual lens as well. Manual focus will make everything blurry. Your settings you should know already. We're going to cover those later. And the way that you put it away is shut it off right here. You're going to take your caps, put your front lens cap on here. Hold this button right here. That's going to allow you to unlock that locking mechanism, turn it. Make sure you do this in a safe and sanitary environment. The fatter lens goes on the back of the lens. The thinner one goes on the body. We take out the batteries. The batteries do not stay in the camera. The card stays in the camera. Battery comes out, goes on the charger. This goes into the middle portion of the bag. This stacks on the other side.